What if two particles, billions of miles apart, could instantly know what the other was doing? It sounds like science fiction, but it's a real phenomenon called quantum entanglement. Prepare to have your mind stretched as we explore how this spooky action at a distance suggests a universe far more connected than you could ever imagine. At its heart, quantum entanglement is a profound and intimate connection. Imagine you have two coins. You don't know if they are heads or tails, but you know they are a perfectly matched pair. If one is heads, the other must be tails. Now you give one coin to a friend, and they travel to the other side of the galaxy. The instant your friend looks at their coin and sees, heads you know with 100% certainty and faster than the speed of light, that your coin is tails. This is, in essence, entanglement. When two quantum particles, like electrons or photons, are created in a certain way, their fates become intertwined. Their properties, like spin or polarization, are linked. The bizarre part is that they don't have a definite state until one of them is measured. The moment you measure the spin of one particle, the state of the other, no matter how far away, is instantly determined. This isn't communication. It's a single unified state existing in two places at once. This idea of non-locality deeply troubled even Albert Einstein, who famously called it spooky action at a distance. Einstein couldn't accept this. He, along with physicists Podolsky and Rosen, proposed what's known as the EPR paradox. They argued that this spooky connection wasn't real. Instead, there must be hidden variables, secret instructions that each particle carried with it from the moment of their creation, telling it how to behave when measured. In our coin analogy, this would be like each coin having its fate, heads or tails, predetermined from the start. We just didn't know it. For decades, this was a philosophical debate. Then, a physicist named John Stuart Bell came up with a brilliant mathematical theorem. He devised a test that could experimentally prove whether the hidden variables theory was correct, or if quantum mechanics' spooky connection was real. The results, confirmed by countless experiments since, were a stunning blow to our classical intuition. The experiments have overwhelmingly shown that there are no hidden variables. The universe really is that weird. Entanglement is real. This might sound like a strange theoretical quirk, but entanglement is now being harnessed to build the technologies of the future. Quantum computing relies on entanglement to link its qubits, allowing them to perform calculations that would take a classical computer billions of years. Quantum cryptography uses entanglement to create unhackable communication channels. If an eavesdropper tries to intercept the message, the very act of observing it breaks the entanglement, instantly alerting the sender and receiver. If everything in the universe started from a single, infinitely dense point at the Big Bang, could this mean that everything is, on some fundamental level, entangled with everything else? This is a speculative but profound idea. It suggests that entanglement isn't just a strange quirk of a few particles in a lab, but a foundational property of the entire cosmos. It implies a deep, holistic interconnectedness, a cosmic web linking every star, every planet, and every atom. Thinking this way offers new insights into the nature of reality itself. Could space-time, the very fabric of the universe, be an emergent property of a vast network of quantum entanglement? It's a frontier of theoretical physics, suggesting that the distance and separation we experience in our daily lives is just an illusion, masking a much deeper, unified reality. So where do we go from here? The greatest challenge in modern physics is uniting quantum mechanics with general relativity, our theory of gravity. Many physicists believe that understanding entanglement is the key to bridging this gap. Could it be the missing link? Looking further, scientists are exploring if entanglement could be involved in everything, from the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy to the very nature of consciousness. Quantum entanglement shatters our most basic assumptions about reality. It tells us that the universe isn't a collection of separate objects, but an intricate, interwoven whole. The discovery of how two separate entities can become one forever changes our perspective on connection and the universe itself. It's a reminder that we are not just observers of the cosmos. We are fundamentally a part of it, connected in ways we are only just beginning to comprehend. Thank you for watching.